Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we will talk about two popular tools called Notion and the Obsidian. These tools are sometimes called a second brain because they help you keep all your ideas, notes and tasks in one place. If you want to get better organized, you might want to pick one of them. So in this video, I will explain what Notion and Obsidian do, how they are different and which one might be the best choice for you. But before we begin, please check the description below this video. You will find some useful link and you will be benefited by using that. So check that out. Now let's start with Notion first. Notion is like a big workspace where you can write notes, make to-do lists and even build your database. It looks like a simple page, but you can add many things like tables, calendar and pictures. Notion works in your browser and it also has apps for your phone and computer. So this means you can use it anytime, anywhere. One good thing about Notion is that it is very flexible. You can make it look and work the way you want. For example, you can create a study plan, you can create a tracking system for your habit, or you can organize a big project. Notion also lets you share your page with other people, so you can work together with your friends and team. Now let's talk about the Obsidian. Obsidian is a little different because it focuses on connecting your notes in a smart way. It works with files saved on your computer. This means your notes are always with you and private unless you choose to share them. Now Obsidian is a good option if you want to build a network of ideas. And it lets you to create links between notes so you can see how your thoughts connect. And these help you to understand complex topics better. And Obsidian also works well for writers, students and people who like to think deeply and organize their information carefully. Another great thing is that Obsidian has many plugins which are small tools that add new features. You can customize Obsidian a lot, but it may take some time to learn how to use it well. So to compare, Notion is very easy to start and good for many people who want to organize work, school or life in one place. Other side, Obsidian is better if you want a powerful tool to connect ideas and keep notes on your own computer. Now in this time, your choice depends on what you want. If you want a clean, flexible and shareable workspace online, choose Notion. But if you want deep notes connection and full control over your file, Obsidian is a right choice. So that was the video for today. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.